However, you'll also have to consider the depreciation of the vehicle. A new car loses around 22% of its value in the first year and around 55% over 5 years. This means that halfway through your loan, you'll effectively be flushing $400 down the toilet every month for the next 2.5 years, as you'll never get that money back. So, what's the solution? Well, believe it or not, I didn't buy my first brand new car till I was about 35 years old. Before that, I bought cars that were around 5 years old, such as Ford Escorts, Peugeot 206s and Ford Focuses, as I knew they had experienced the majority of their depreciation and they were well under half price. None of the cars I purchased lost more than 15% in value, meaning the person who bought the car when it was new took the biggest hit. The only reason I bought a new car when I was 35 was for my wife, who needed to do a lot of mileage, and I prioritised her safety over the loss in value. So if you want to be rich, then you need to be smarter when purchasing a vehicle.